Hey guys, so this is a quick video for if you want to use a Xiaomi Smart Pad Fountain 2, like what are the pros and cons, primarily like the reasons why you shouldn't buy it. So first thing, you have a monthly live filter replacement required. So if you want to actually get it, it's recommended that the filter be replaced every month. Also, the larvae you see are like from the mosquito eggs. During summer there are more flies and mosquitoes, and they can like lay eggs in them areas. So you want to use like continuous mode. This is something that you have to be kind of like aware of. Cannot use while charging. This is important. Also, a weather outlet is small, so it's like not really big one. And regular cleaning still needed. So despite filtration, weekly cleaning is recommended to prevent buildup and maintain the hygiene. So that's something that you kind of like have to be aware of and what you can actually expect. But yeah, it's got like not chewed cables, a large 3 liters capacity, 4-stage filtration system, very quiet operation, also free water output modes, IPX7 water approved for easy cleaning, so that's great. And that's kind of like you have to be aware of. But when you look also on another con, that a lot of people like reported that it wasn't reliable and it like completely shut down. So there are like plenty of reports like that it didn't work well. So and also you won't be able to connect it to your Mi Home app and manage it from your phone unless your Mi account was created in Singapore. This was like also another thing. So yeah, plenty of people also reported it didn't work after some time. So let me down below in the comments how is going to be your experience, and have a great day and goodbye.